everyone, and welcome to my front stoop. I'm here and it's a beautiful day in October, just enjoying the sunshine. So I thought I'd do an outdoor one of these unboxings. So lovely Minute Maid juice, not actually sponsoring us, but here it is regardless. We have our little pumpkins here for Halloween. So here we go. This is what we've all been waiting for. This is the Nendroid Buzz Lightyear. You can see him on the back. What's really cool about him, apparently his eyeballs can kind of move. So you have, if you want to do some stop motion, which I want to do, have his eyeballs looking in different directions. And then he actually will attach to the Nendroid Woody, which we don't have yet. But anyway, so here is presenting Nendroid Buzz Lightyear from the Good Smile Company. And I think this is the deluxe version. Is it? Yes, I think so. 1047DX. So yes, the deluxe version. Getting him open. What's gonna happen? There he is. Ooh. And look at this. He comes with like a little background in here. A little, it's like if you look at, take it out, look. Oh, it's so cute. It's like Andy's little room in the back. So he's got his own little background, which I always like there to be a handy little background to go with these. So anyway, here he is. Hi, I'm Buzz Lightyear. Hello. Let's take him apart. Oh my goodness, look what he has here. Here's little Buzz Lightyear. Whee, and little wings. Not a flying toy. Oops. And one of his wings came off. You can just sort of shove him back in there. And then look. Oh, look at his little Andy foot. This is Andy, just like in the movie. Yay! And there's his little tiny arms. Yeah, hello. Hi. So these are all jointed. So I really can't wait to start doing some stop motion with this guy, because if you look at all his little arms and everything, even though they seem not fixed in, but they can all move, like all the joints and everything. And I think his helmet can also come off too. So you can get the helmet off. Come on. Definitely will come off, I saw. And yeah. Oh, there you go. There's his helmet. Oh, and there's his little face inside. Hi. And look at that. His eyes can move. I don't know if you can see that. Now they're looking to the side. No, I can let you see. Now they're looking. Oh my goodness, what's going on here? Now they're looking straight forward. And you can actually take his faceplate off. This is gonna be a little bit freaky, but oops, his little arm fell off. Oh dear. Well, we'll put it back on. Those come off too. You see this? You can take his little faceplate off, and inside, in the back, you can see you can actually make. Watch this. Make his eyeballs go. Ah, his eyes have gone crazy. Ooh, look at that. That's kind of funny. And so if you wanted his eyeballs to be looking that way, like let's say, oh, yeah, he's cross-eyed. His eyeballs are going to look that way. There you go. That's fun. I like that feature a lot. That really gives him a lot of character there. And there's certain. And he has another face as well. Let me grab his little wing that fell off here. He's got another cutie little face here. This is his angry face, or his sort of frowny face. So how do we remove this face? We take this face off and then put this little guy on here. Oops. And let's see how that works. If you look at the back here, there's a little thing, I think, where you can just kind of pull this bit off. Oh my goodness. Little tiny eyeballs. Oh. Here's another teeny eyeball. Oh, this looks creepy. Okay, so then got his other faceplate right here. So you take the faceplate, and it's got a little thingy in the top that you can use to sort of put like this here. Excuse me, Buzz. Let's see this, and you're gonna put it just right up in there. Like that. You just pushed it in. And then this is the back. And then you can take the eyeballs, sort of pop them in there. Oops. They go this way maybe? Oh, I see. I should have put the eyeballs first and then stuck the little bit of the face in. Okay. Maybe this part will make fast. Let's see, make this part a little speedier. Okay. So one eyeball, check. Another eyeball, check. Okay. The eyeballs. And now we are going to put this together.